Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you an unboxing of the Nespresso Vertuo Next. I don't really know how to pronounce these words, so please don't mind me. I got it on sale at Bloomingdales for their friends and family event. It's in the color rose gold and it comes with a $10 off coupon. That's so cool. This is what the back looks like, the big box that it came in. It comes with different sizes that you can make different types of coffee with, like espresso double shot, regular coffee, a large cup of coffee, and then really big coffee. It turns off by itself. It heats up in I think about 10 seconds, and these are the different types of pods that come with it. You can also connect your Bluetooth to it, which I haven't done yet, but that's pretty freaking cool if you ask me. So here we go. This is the type of pods that the coffee maker already came with. There are only a few that I like. So here it shows, according to the pods, like the different types of sizes, what they make. I really enjoyed that one, the first one, Voltesso and Blanco Lageno, that one. And then there was like a vanilla custard down there somewhere. That one was pretty good. So I did enjoy that. The other ones were a little bit too strong for me, so I just kind of steered away from them. But yeah, I think it's really cool that it comes with it, and then it gives you that $10 off coupon so you can buy more. What I did notice in the store, however, is that these types of pods are really hard to find and they're pretty expensive. I bought a pack, and I believe one came out to $1.50, but again, still cheaper than going to Starbucks every day or Dunkin', so there you go. Okay, time to open. This was really difficult to record, so please excuse the weird edits. So I'm going to show you first everything that came in the box really quickly. So we have our user manual. There it is. I'm going to put it over to the side. We're going to go next. The cup stand, it's in rose gold. It's really pretty. Now I'm just going to remove this cable and this big bulky box thingy, cardboard thingy that was protecting, I'm assuming, the rest of the machinery. Yep. We have the milk frother. Yes, it's gorgeous. So it comes with the actual frother, the thing that you plug it into, and the lid, I guess. We'll go into detail later. I just want to get everything out the box. Here are the pods, and here is the beauty, the machine. All right, there is everything that came in the box. So the pods, the frother, of course, the espresso machine, and then the $10 off coupon, and then the tray where your cup goes, and the user manual. So let's get into the milk frother. This is the Nespresso Aeroccino 3. I'm sorry if I don't pronounce that correctly, but the pictures are gorgeous. Okay, so look, it comes with the actual frother, the little wire that goes inside, and the lid. Cups not included. Boo! I'm just kidding. But that is a latte macchiato pictured and a cappuccino. So all in all, beautiful. Let's get to the unboxing. What I honestly enjoy about a milk frother is the fact that this one has two settings. You can froth milk at a cold setting or at a hot setting. I prefer the hot setting if I'm drinking hot coffee because I want everything to be hot. Here is the user manual that came with it. These pictures are just gorgeous. But not really any other detail besides how to turn it on and how to use it, and there we go. So you hold for 2 seconds if you want it to be cold, and you just turn it on and it's already automatically hot. But yeah, what I like about this is when it comes to its temperature and when it created enough of that froth or foam, that's it. It turns off and you're ready to go. And I think that is awesome. Better than the little knob that comes with other espresso machines where you stick in your milk and then it like screams and squirts everywhere and it freaking sucks. But anyway, here is this milk frother. And here is what I was talking about, the cold or hot way to do your milk. Here's a $10 off coupon. I didn't really want to show you guys this because it has the code and I haven't used the code yet, but it tells us how to turn it on. Here are the different flavors that you can purchase, and it comes with a coupon. Here are the pods. I was so excited for this, and this is like super cool. Here are all the pods close up. They look beautiful, and I love how they're super colored. Here is the cup holder again with some tapping. Here's the machine. It's pretty dirty actually, so I had to wipe it down, fill it up with water, and then we're gonna do the rinse cycle. But what I did notice on this machine is that the front where it says Nespresso with the rose gold color, it's missing like some color, yeah, right there. So that was a little upsetting, but whatever. So here is what we need to do. We need to fill the tank with water, turn on the machine, and hold the button 3 times, or press the button 3 times, and then the water will come out, and here is that. Now I'm also going to clean the frother. I just put hot water in there with a small pump of dish detergent, dish soap, and I turn it on with hot and then look it with cold. So you just hold it a little bit longer and it froths instead of heating up the milk. So that's pretty cool. All right, we're finally ready to make a cup of coffee. I'm gonna use this one, and in my opinion, this one was the best one, the Voltesso. I believe it's really good. By the way, I was making this video at 10 o'clock at night, so I didn't want to make a strong cup of coffee because I wanted to go and sleep. So I'm just going to pop that in. You unlock on the top, you pull it to the right, you unlock it, you pop it in, and you press the button, and it works by itself. So, and it will do everything that it needs to do, measure the water, everything. And I'm going to pop it in, lock it up, and we're going to press the button. Bang, and it will start, and it smelled amazing in the house. For the milk, I'm just going to pour it to the minimal line. There's lines inside. Pop the lid and turn it on, and again it will turn off by itself once it's ready. All right, here is the espresso. Look at that beauty. I can't even describe to you how good my entire home smelled. It smelled like literally Starbucks. I'm gonna pour that milk in. The milk goes first and then the froth goes on top. Oh, beautiful. And there you go. There is my first ever cup of coffee with the Nespresso Vertuo, I believe it's called. Definitely Balkan Foodie approved, 10 out of 10. Love this purchase. Enjoyed this cup of coffee. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.